In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chart-ready slide in Genspark using AI. First, open Genspark and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your workspace. If not, use your usual sign-in method and you'll be taken there automatically. Make sure you have a stable connection so your changes sync without delays. Next, head to the AI Slides area and open your presentation. You can start a new deck or continue an existing one, but for this walkthrough, I'll open a presentation that needs a data slide. Give the deck a quick scan so you know where this new charted slide will fit and what style you want to match. Now add your topic, data, or content prompt for the slide. In the prompt field, be clear about the purpose, the audience, and the key takeaway. Include the data points you want visualized, such as category names and values, or paste a small table. Clarity here helps the AI choose the right chart and write accurate labels and captions. Ask Genspark to include a chart or data visualization in the deck. You can specify the chart type if you have a preference like bar, line, or pie, or simply say you want a chart that best highlights comparisons or trends. You can also mention colors or styling to keep it consistent with your brand or the rest of the presentation. Let Genspark generate the slide with the chart. The AI will create a slide layout, bring in your data, and add titles or supporting text. Give it a moment to process and then navigate to the newly created slide in your deck. Review the chart carefully and adjust the data or layout if needed. Check values, axis labels, legends, and units. If something looks off, edit the underlying data right inside the slide editor, or refine your prompt and regenerate. Consider readability. Increase contrast, simplify labels, and make sure the chart type matches the story. Bars for comparisons, lines for change over time, and so on. When you're satisfied, save or export the updated presentation. Use Save to keep changes in Genspark or export to a shareable format like PPTX or PDF for distribution. Before you close, do a quick final preview to confirm the chart aligns with your theme and that everything looks crisp. That's it. You've used Genspark to turn raw information into a clean, data-driven slide with just a few guided prompts.